I'm going to share some ways that you can practice your subtraction facts. These are your basic facts, taking away from 20. And if you're still struggling with just taking away from 10, just work on those facts for right now. So some of the ways we're going to talk about are hands-on. That's having a manipulative. For me, I've got blocks for you to see while I demonstrate. It doesn't matter what you use as long as you're counting them out carefully. So if I were to do the problem 4, take away 3, I start with my 4 blocks. I take away 1, 2, 3, and what I have left is called the difference, and the answer is 1. So 4 take away 3 equals 1. So that was the hands-on type of strategy. Another thing that you can do is draw. So on this case, I think circles are the easiest to draw. I would draw 1, 2, 3, 4 circles, take away 3. So I'm just going to do a line through them, which leaves me this 1 that is the difference, the answer to my subtraction problem. If you choose to use a number line, you need to start with the number at the beginning of your number sentence, and you're going to actually hop back like a frog 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Your answer is 1. Make sure you don't say 1, 2, 3. You have to actually move back each time before you can count to get your correct answer. If you don't have a number line, a ruler works really well. So you don't even have to create a number line if you want to do this kind of a strategy. Counting backwards is definitely not one of my favorites because I don't do anything well backwards. So if you have 4 and it says count back 3, it's just hard for me to imagine going backwards. That's why I prefer the number line if you're going to try to do something with counting backwards. Finding the difference is a really interesting way to do subtraction, and it's actually one of my favorite. So I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to tell you how you can do it without using circles. So I have 4 to represent my 4, and I have 3 to represent those 3. And I make the connections like this, so it tells me the difference between the group of 4 and the group of 3 is actually 1. So if I don't use this strategy with the circles, I can start by saying the 3 and count to get to 4, which is 1 more. And so that is another easier way to find the difference. Remember, we've talked about flashcards and other types of games that you might be able to play to practice your facts. You really want to get fluency with facts. That's like memorizing. So the minute you see 4 minus 3, you don't have to do anything except for say 1. So that's one way. In a few minutes, I will show you a couple of other ways you can practice. But let's go back through our strategies again for a few more problems so that you can pick which one works best for you. The first one, 7. These are the hands-on. Here's 7. If I take away 2, whoops, I grabbed the wrong set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take away 2 leaves me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try our other strategies just to make sure we still get 5. If I draw 7 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take away 2 of them, it leaves me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my answer. The number line, Here you are at 7. Remember, you're going to hop to the number below it before you say 1. 1, 2. The difference is 5 still. Counting backwards, I'm going to let you do that one if you want. I prefer this strategy. Finding the difference. Here we go again. We have 7 that represents that 7, 2 that is right here. These are the same amount. The difference between this group and what's not there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So an easy way to do it without drawing the pictures is say 2, and then you're going to count to the 7. Do it with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The difference is 5. Here we go again. Hands-on strategy. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leaves you 1. If you prefer to draw, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cross out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It leaves you with a difference of 1. Number line. Start at the 9. Make sure you jump before you say 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, same difference. Here's our other strategy. Here's my 9. Here are my 8. These are the same, the same, the same, the same, the same. Here's the difference, a 1. Remember, you can say 8 and then count to your next number. So 8, 9. One more. There is your difference. We have 2 more to go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same difference. Number length. Start at the 10. Ready to hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, the difference is still 6. Here are my 10 circles, my 4. These are the same amount. The difference is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, you can circle this number and count on to 10. So we had 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's the 6 again. Our last one, because you know, I don't want you to stop at start at 10 minus. We really need to do 20 minus if we can, but this is a good start. So our hands on again. Here are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Take away the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. That would be my answer, called the difference. 4. We can draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It leaves me 1, 2, 3, 4. Number line. Here's my 12. Go back 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The difference is still 4. And once again, this is when it becomes one of my favorite strategies, when you start getting to those bigger numbers, because these are all the same amount. And here's the difference. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's still 4. But I like this because I can say 8 in my head and count to 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fast and easy. It's a 4. I hope you enjoy all of these kinds of strategies, but I'm sure you will have a favorite one, just like I do. Here are a couple of ways that you can practice if you don't have flashcards at home. You could take the numbers that we used in the addition problems that we had talked about and make sure all of the cards that are face cards are taken out. And you could draw one. And I would actually stick with a 6, 7, 8, or 9, or of course 10. Because when you roll a dice, let's say I roll a 6 minus 6, oh, sorry about that, will leave me with a 4. And so I can keep rolling the dice and I can keep practicing using the 10 card for a while. And that will help me with my 10 minus facts. If I have something lower than a 6, let's say I wanted to put a 5 here. Oh, what if I rolled a 6? That's not going to work. So make sure when you've got the cards, you either use a 10, a 9, a 6, a 7, or an 8. Or you could just write it and then roll. For the bigger numbers like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16, go ahead and write the number here. Subtract whatever dice you roll to get your difference. That's a good way to kind of make it a fun game. I hope these help you while you're learning at home. Enjoy. Talk to you soon.